mbele kabisa.
A major economic shift is happening in Kenya as investment-driven growth agenda is taking shape, unlocking billions of shillings across key sectors. Officials say new regulatory reforms, streamlined investor facilitation, and a growing pipeline of large-scale projects are expected to boost manufacturing output, expand exports, and create thousands of new jobs. Analysts believe Kenya's strategy could reshape its economic trajectory.
More than $700 billion of pension funding across Africa. So we need to start seeing this funding going into investments, infrastructure projects, investment into businesses, and not just currently seated mostly in financial assets. So this conversation is trying to make sure that that starts going into these other projects that are actually long-term and have also good returns.
We are moving away from public investment, where the return is a social return, to private investment, where the return is an economic return. So an economic return, it has to be risk adjusted. So as government, we are doing our level best to meet the demand of an investment. We believe we can tax more, but since Kenyans have expressed concern, we have to move now from public investment, where the money is public money, to private investment.
The Kenya Association of Air